Let's get started.
We name all the colours in the rainbow. Red, yellow, pink, green, orange.
All the colors of the rainbow. Okay, who's ready to be a nature explorer?
Yes, me!
No. Everybody gets a turn.
Don't forget the glue to stick it all together.
Press it.
Crayons. Look, it's orange. Green. Blue. Look.
Ooh, you're good at this.
Careful, Bing.
Finished!
Spin the wheel.
That's great!
Come on, spin the wheel, Sula. Yes.
Spin the wheel.
Where's it going to stop?
Red.
You're good at this. Who's our next nature explorer?
Me.
Oh,
Purple. Me again. Oh, it's blue. We haven't had blue yet. The sled. We've got it. I'm the last nature explorer.
Brown!
Being a nature explorer is fun.
exploring nature. It's a Bing thing.
We can paint our own butterflies. I think the butterfly would love that. There's a clever way to paint butterflies.
Oh, I love butterflies. Oh, look at that.
Let's get started. You need a piece of paper, fold it, now we're just going to paint on one side, like so, and so.
Ah, good. Whoa.
Oh. Ooh, that looks nice. How beautiful. Now, fold it,
Fold it.
press it, press it, and now open it.
Oh,
How beautiful!
look. Cool.
That's great!
Foosh. Yeah.
Butterflies. They're a Bing thing.
And I'll always remember our butterfly. Hello, Froggy. What do you think she needs?
Let's get started.
Ready, Bing?
Yep. Look.
Whoa.
Look up! It's a frog!
Oh, hello, frog.
Boing, boing, boing. Look, I did it.
Perfect! That's exactly what we're after. Yeah!
Aha.
Look at her googly eyes. Look. Ribbit, ribbit.
Gently, Bing.
Cool. Ribbit, ribbit. She's my frog.
Finding a frog. It's a Bing thing.
Hello, Arlo.
Hello, Arlo.
Meow. Meow. Oh, he's saying hello, Flop. Meow. 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 Mate.
Ready, Bing?
Yep. Look.
Whoa.
Arlo. Oh, you like getting stroked, don't you, Arlo?
Aha.
Meow. Look. Meow. 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 Look, they're all different colours.
Cats. They're a Bing thing.
Meow. Bye-bye, Arlo.
Boysy boys, Arlo.
Oh. What do you think she needs? Ta-da! Look, it's a ladybird. It's so
Ladybird.
small.
Let's get started.
Ready, Bing?
Yep. Look.
Oh.
Red, red, red.
Whoa.
ladybugs are my favourite.
Aha.
Look! Cool! Foosh! See you later, ladybug. Bye-bye, ladybug.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, everybody. Who's ready to make something special today?
What's that, Emma? Oh, it's an eggy head. I want one.
You're all going to make one.
What is this? Oh, yeah.
Let's get started. First, you need to give your egg a face.
Okay, I'm making a happy one.
Oh.
He's called Eggy. I'm going to call you Shelley. Mine's a monster. He's called...
Colors to decorate.
Look, Flop. It's Eggy.
I would do a pink one and a purple one.
Okay.
And the pink top.
Okay then.
A ball of wet cotton wool to pop inside your eggy head.
That's
In you
it. In you go.
Ding, 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 ding.
I can pushing him really carefully.
Yeah, you're doing really well.
Ready to grow some hair?
Here's some seeds, Eggy.
They need two things to help them grow. Lots of light and water. So, we're going to put them here on the windowsill and we'll water them every day. It'll take a week for your eggy heads to grow hair as long as my one had. It's 7 sleeps. It's a chart to show how many days the eggy heads will take to grow. You can colour one egg every day.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah! Let's go and look. Look at his hair. Is it grass?
It's called cress.
Ah.
You can eat it.
Please, yes, please. Slob's giving Eggy Head a haircut.
It's tasty. Try some.
Yummy.
Finished!
There you are, Eggy, with all your friends. I'm going to do a super loud banging rocket. Whoosh! Bang!
Oh, super loud.
Fireworks! I like it. Ooh, yes.
Let's go.
Oh, this is my favorite bit. Yes, let's get messy.
this so it's not so drippy. Dip it, wipe it, there, no drip.
Dip it. Wipe it. There's no drip.
Oh! Oh!
Hey, I like that one. Oh, sparkles. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's good. That's a super rocket, but not too loud.
Good for you, Bing Bunny.
Yay! So let's go. Oh. Go, 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 go! Look! Wow! It's Pando. Let's start. Choose a piece of paper. Bum, 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 bum. Make a face. Look, look, look! Oh, that's good. One there. Oh, this is my favourite bit. And one there. Dop, 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 tap, tap, tap. Look! You do it like this! Whoa!
Up you get, Pando.
Look! I can't wait to see them. Look what you can do. Have you finished? Oh, I like that. Yay! Come on, let's do something. Come on, Bing.
Hey, you splashy bunny. Come here with that. Dip it,
Dip it.
wipe it.
Oh, wipe it.
Good.
There's no drip. Yay! Look, look, look! I can show you. Ooh! Wow! It's so squidgy. You do it too. Ooh. Oh, this is my favourite bit. Oh, I like that. Oh, we need to clean up now. Clean, 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 clean. Clean. Ooh, I'm excited. Wow! Like twinkly stars, sprinkly sprinkles.
This is so magic.
It's going everywhere. Can we see them? Yay!
Well done.
Hi.
Oh. Look, Flop! Let's get started. Whoa! Ooh, look! Googly eyes. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Ooh. Oh. Oh, I like that. What's next? Okay. Look what we did. Hey! Have you finished? These are lovely, Flop.
Oh, yes.
Let's do it again! Hi, Sula.
Hey, Ivy! I'm not Sula. I'm the fairy queen. See?
Sula.
I have got a magic wand and it has sparkles on. See?
Wow! I could do sparkle magic too. Oh, this is my favourite bit. Whoa!
This is the sparkle magic.
Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Whoosh, whoosh. It's baking time.
Ginger bunnies!
Yay! I'm excited. I love baking.
Yep, I love baking too, Bing.
I think I need...
Your hands need a wash before we start.
Splish, splish,
Splish, splish, splish, splish. Let's add the ingredients to a large mixing bowl.
Oh, flour.
There we go.
Whoosh.
Let's make a mess.
Oh.
Who's putting egg in?
Me!
Okay.
Careful now. There we go.
Ooh, it's all gooey.
In you go.
Mix it all up.
It's so squidgy.
That's it. Give the dough a good push.
That isn't rounded.
Oh!
Roll out the squidgy dough.
Flour.
Ah, that's right.
Dough.
That's a lot of dough.
Next, we need to roll it flat with the rolling pin.
I can do it.
Okay, Bing.
The more you roll, the thinner it gets.
Cut some shapes.
That one's for Coco. This one's for me. And this one's for Charlie.
That's right. Press down.
We can make shapes.
Oh, that is a good one. How about a few more?
That's good.
That's it. There we go. Gently does it.
Wow.
They look good.
Yeah.
Ask a grown-up to bake them in the oven.
Let's get these ginger bunny biscuits baking in the hot, burny oven.
All ready for baking. Ah, bake biscuits.
Remember to set tricky timer.
Ah, can we see them?
Careful now. It's very hot.
These are lovely, Flop.
They do look good.
Now let's decorate.
Add some icing if you like. Oh!
Oh, that's good. Look, Flop. My ginger bunny's happy. Sprinkle, sprinkle. One there. And one there. These are lovely, Flop.
Ta-da! Yummy, delicious biscuits. Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, delicious!
Oh.
Nom, nom, nom. So let's go! I'm excited!
Pretty purple, indigo, blue and green and bright yellow. That's the way the colours go, climbing up the rainbow.
What funny shapes can we make? Oh, that's good. You do it too. Oh,
They look good, Bing.
make a face. Oh, that's good.
You did it. Ah, that's right. Follow what Bing does.
Hello, I'm Violet. I'm the queen of all the rainbow fairy mice. I love them all exactly the same, but she's the one I love best.
Look. Oh, that's good.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Oh, that's good.
I'm a princess. Princess Coco Pono. And you can be King Bing.
You did it.
Hello, Arlo.
Hello, Arlo.
Meow. Meow. Oh, he's saying hello, Flop.
Meow. Meow. No, mate.
Ready, Bing?
Yep. Look.
Whoa.
Arlo. Oh, you like getting stroked, don't you, Arlo?
Aha.
Meow. Look. Meow. 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 Look, they're all different colours.
Cats. They're a Bing thing.
Meow. Bye-bye, Arlo.
Byes, Arlo.
Yay! Let's go, 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 go!
What funny shapes can we make?
Look! That one!
Oh, look! Oh. One there and one there.
Pretty purple indigo, blue and green and bright yellow.
Look!
Sula!
Oh, that's good.
Ooh.
Wow! Look what you can do.
Cool. I've got my favourite colour too. Look, pink. Yay! Hi.
Oh, yay! I'm excited.
Now,
Ooh.
let's get started.
Ready? Oh. Dip it. Wipe it. Oh, that is. Oh, I love making pictures. Oh, that's good. Could we decorate them? Oh. Oh, I like that. Whoa! Look! Yes! Let's get messy! Oh! I love painting! Ooh, messy! Oh, I like that. Bye. Yeah.
Hello?
Oh, painting.
Which color will you choose?
Oh, yellow.
What a mural we're going to have.
Drippy.
Try this, so it's not so drippy. Dip it, wipe it, there.
Oh, wipe it. There's no drip. Yellow, yellow on my head.
Good for you. You're good at this.
Wow. Oh, I like that.
Oh, yes, that's great. No drip. Come on, then. Oh, look. Where did all those beautiful flowers come from? Ah,
It's a rainy bow.
With beautiful rainbow flowers.
That looks lovely.
We made it a rainy bow tree.
Painting a mural. It's a Bing thing.